AI is revolutionizing business decision-making. Here's how. AI seamlessly combines data from various sources, providing a unified view that helps businesses uncover deeper insights. AI-powered tools quickly analyze vast amounts of data, revealing patterns and trends that traditional methods might miss. AI uses historical data to forecast future trends and outcomes, enabling businesses to anticipate challenges and opportunities. AI processes data in real time, offering businesses up-to-the-minute information for agile decision-making. AI evaluates potential risks by analyzing diverse data sets, helping businesses make decisions that minimize uncertainty and exposure. As a result, AI-driven automation benefits business leaders with faster and more informed decisions, reduced bias in decision-making, improved strategic planning, and enhanced risk management. In conclusion, AI doesn't replace human judgment. Instead, it enhances it by providing data-driven insights that lead to better outcomes. So, if you are ready to elevate your decision-making with AI, visit us at www.rpatech.ai.